morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 15th February 2022. In the international market, US 10-year again flirted with 2% mark and now currently trades at 197. In a notable move, St. Louis Fed President James Bullard is now expecting 100 basis point hikes by July 22, which is way high and the market is already pricing in. The probability of raising rates before March Fed meeting has reduced drastically from Thursday's 30% to 3% on Monday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $96.30 per barrel, which is an 8-year high. Short-term range for crude is 93 to 97. The Russia-Ukraine situation is worsening day by day, and there are rumors that 16th February, which is tomorrow, will be the day when Russia will invade Ukraine. On the other hand, given these rumors, has made 16th February as Unity Day. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 96.24. Today's range for dollar index 95.93 to 96.41. USD CNY or Chinese yuan at 635. USD INR with a low of 75.64 closed at 75.57 near day's high. Support at 75.40 and resistance at 75.80 does exist. Trading strategy: high of 75.37 and a close at 75.57 shows the rupee weakness. Crude at 96.24 will add fuel to this ongoing weakness. Also, the FII equity sell-off will force rupee to be sold, which means the rupee will weaken further. In the domestic market was anticipating that the RBI may cancel this week's GSEC auction in the wake of cash reserves. Market, after an early day setback, moved up sharply to end the day in green. After market hours, RBI did announce the cancellation of GSEC auction scheduled on 18th February, Friday. This means buyers will rush for SDL's today's auction, which will again bring the yields down. Last time the auction was at 724 to 734 range. Today's SDL auction range will be from 710 to 718 depending on the states. Indian CPI at 601, which is not too troublesome for RBI for now. WPI is at 9.6%, which is 24-month high. 574 2026 closed at 585 versus 587, 2 basis point gain. 610 2031 closed at 668 versus 671, 3 basis points gain. 667 2035 closed at 698 versus 703, 5 basis point gain. Market was already anticipating the cancellation of the GSEC, and market is also anticipating that there will be no further GSEC auctions for this fiscal year, which proves to be right and pretty much priced in. New buying opportunity: as RBI has cancelled the upcoming GSEC auction, market will be positive. But the 8-year high crude will weigh on the market. Also, the WPI CPI high prints will cool off the market sentiment. From night research point of view, 690 was the perfect entry point where we minted money. Now at 670 levels, markets have again become too risky and susceptible for M2Ms, as yields will not sustain at this 670 lower levels. RBI may control the yields from March end perspective, but surely the yields will go higher in FY23. There is no doubt there. We expect the March year end for 610-2031 at 675-680 max. Trading range: 610-2031, 664 to 672. Don't be surprised if the GSEC sell-off comes, as crude concerns will outweigh all the positives. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with the new episode from Night Snippets.